how to create whiteboard animation without videoscribe. Yes guys, videoscribe is software that is used to make whiteboard animation and handwriting animation, but it is paid and very expensive. So how can we create whiteboard animation without videoscribe? Believe me guys, it's very easy peasy. We can do that on Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes guys, Microsoft PowerPoint that is available in every Windows. Of course you would be using that. So if you want to learn how to make whiteboard animation using PowerPoint, then keep watching. Now open PowerPoint presentation. You can open it directly from start menu, right, PowerPoint, and you can open it any version you have. Don't worry about the version, just open Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, now clear everything. Now here you can see a whiteboard. Okay, that's it. Now first of all we need writing hand. So it's very easy, just open your browser, open google.com and write here writing hand png. Okay, that's it. Now here click on images and here you can see many writing hands. So whatever hand you like, just copy it. So here you can see this is a hand. So right click on it and click on copy and open your PowerPoint presentation, right click here and paste it. Okay, now this is a hand. First of all remove its background, click on format, click on remove background. Okay, now drag it here and scroll down. Okay, great. Now we have successfully added a writing hand. Now it's very easy. Now just write anything, copy any picture that you want. So just like here you can see, I'm going to write whiteboard animation on PowerPoint. Okay, so just drag it to the center anywhere you want. Okay, now first of all, now we are going to animate it. So first of all click on animations. Okay, now click on the hand, drag it here accordingly. So drag it here. Now what are we going to it? We are going to animate it from left to right. We are going to move it. So click on animations, then here you can see lines. So click on lines. Now effect options, here you can see right. So it would be moving from left to right, but we have to move it from this to this. So here you can see this line, click on it and here up to this. Okay, great. Now we want it to move from left to right with text. Now we are going to animate text. So click on appear. Okay, now click on animation pen. Here you can see picture there, hand. Now start with previous. Okay, great. Now text. Now click on this effect options. Now here you can see animate text by letter, then duration 0.1. okay, now timing. Okay, great. Now click on here, start with previous. Okay, now click on hand. Here you can see effect options, set the speed medium. Okay, here we can click on slow. Okay, now here you can see. Okay, now click on the slideshow. Here you can see both are moving together accordingly. Now that's how we can write anything. Now if you want to draw something, then just click on this here. Okay, so duplicate slide. Now we are going to remove its animation. Okay, now drag it to anywhere you want. If you want any picture, if you want to do something, then just paste your picture here. Here I can use picture of anything, just like I'm going to paste a picture of laptop or anything. So laptop png. Here you can see so many laptops. So just click on any laptop you want, then right click again, then copy, then come here. Now right click and paste, drag it, resize it. Okay, here you can see again. Now we are going to animate it now. So now keep this hand to the front, right click, and here you can see bring to front, click on this. Okay, now we are going to animate this laptop. Click on animation, then click on random bars. Okay, start with previous. Great. Now we are going to animate this. So click on animations, then come here, scroll down, Twitter. Okay, that's it. So we are going to click on this, start with previous. Okay, now we are going to set its timing. First of all, check. Okay, so we are going to set timing accordingly. Click on this laptop, click on this effect options, then here you can see timing, click on this medium. Okay, so now I'll just check it. Okay, so that's how basically you can create text, images. In addition to this, if you want to add voice, music while animating such whiteboard animation, it's also easy in PowerPoint. Here you can click on insert, here you can see audio option, click on this, here you can see record audio. If you want to record your audio while animating this, it's also easy. If you want to add already music in this, then audio from file. It's very easy. Just here you can see, click on this record audio, click on this record your voice, click on OK, and add your voice anywhere. So okay, now it's added. Now here you can see, right click on this and drag it to this option. Now click on start with previous. Okay, hey, these options will be available on animations, animation pen. Okay, so click on animations, animations pen. So sound is now added and start with previous. Okay, now when will you open this presentation, the sound while animating this will be played. So that's how basically you can create complete whiteboard animation videos on PowerPoint. Believe me guys, it's very easy. I have showed you just 2 examples of animating text and images, but you can create so many exciting, surprising, advanced whiteboard animation videos. Just you need to work a lot. That's it. So that's how I wanted to show you how you can create whiteboard animation without videoscribe using only PowerPoint. So thank you. And yes, if you want to save your video, you can easily do it. Click on this file, click on save as, click on save as type here. Then here you can see Windows Media Video. Click on this, then click on save. This presentation will be saved as video that you can easily publish on YouTube, any platform you want. Thank you, and yes, like and comment on this video if you really learned something.